starting the game with a 2-2 formation. Player number 2 breaks away from his defender and receives a short throw from the goalie. Simultaneously, player number 4 goes deep diagonally on the left side of the court. Player number 5 gets open and moves towards number 2 to receive the ball. However, player number 5, as he approaches number 2, seeing that he is closely defended, makes a quick change in direction and moves to receive the ball from number 2, who is running alongside him. As he receives the ball and goes forward with it, player number 5 passes the ball to number 4 at the far post to shoot.